I can't be free, then all is lost. I wanna give the finger to the man, and when I feel my knuckles turn pale, I'm pushing my head down in the sand and sending my dumb ass to jail. And living mortals like the way and driven to their dark decay, and simple when you start to say you wouldn't have it anyway. You must improve your feeding too, but spirit from inside of you. But though you know you're raging, you're really just engaging. I wanna say bite me to my buddy. I wanna say get lost to my girl. And that bite me if I don't do it. I am gonna fucking hurl. I'm gonna get a drink before I do it. I got up my arm this way. Inspire me and fire me in a tantrum of sound. A liar lead, retire lead, the rabbit spins around. My dying plea, and so you see another life inside of me. Redeem your fate, for though you hate the things inside you only way.
About, man.
Don't talk to me.
I only have to.
I'll be honest, I
I'm
have
only
$40 in my pocket. I gave you each 20 plus that 20, which divided by 30. So I owe you about like half of also whatever.
The way I figure it, you owe me about $500,000.